Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel Physics Dude. Alright, so class 6, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to learn science and its importance. One more thing, we are covering this chapter in question answer format. Thus, you can learn it very effectively and actively also. Today, we are discussing what is science. Alright. So what is science and discuss its type. That is our discussion for today. Alright. So what is science? Suppose we got an object. If you throw it down or if you throw it up, then what is happening? It's experiencing some force, and that is what you observing. If you experiment with it, suppose if you give more force in it, then it will reach more height. If you give less force, it will reach less height, and that is how you are experimenting with objects. And this is the experimentation and observation, and that is what science look like, and that is what the science represented as. Alright, so further any delay, let's go to our definition. Okay, the systematic study of natural world by observations, that is the key point, observations and experiments, that what we just did, is known as science. Very easy one. Once more, the systematic study of natural world by observations and experiments is known as science. Alright, that's all. Now coming to its type. How many types are there? There are two types. One is physical science, another is life science. This is the physical science where we will talk about only the objects, that is non-living body. In life science, we will talk about the living bodies. Alright, coming to the parts of physical science. There are three parts: physics, chemistry and geology. So in physics, we talk about energy, work, matter, heat and more things. Alright, chemistry, we will also discuss in chemistry about the molecular levels things, like how the atoms, how the molecules changes, what is the bond between them, all these things. And in geology, we will learn about the planet Earth. Okay, now coming to life science, and it's got two parts, that is botany and zoology. In botany, we will discuss about the plants, while in zoology, we will discuss about the animals. So that is the answer of this whole question. Moving to the next one. Alright, so the next question is, what is physics and the importance of it? Previously, we just learned what is science, and we know physics is a part of that. Now, physics is the branch of science that deals with matter and energy and their interaction. That is all physics all about. Now think two bodies are there. They are colliding with each other. Now the energy is coming out. We know when the bombs are getting blasted that so much of energy is come out from there. Even when a car crash with a wall, also we have observed that so much of destruction we can see over there due to high energy crash, and many more other things. If you kick a football even or you bounce a basketball, that is all physics, and this is all about force, energy and the interaction of objects. Alright, so in this case, we just write that thing over here, that the branch of science that deals with the matter, energy and their interactions. These are the key points: matter, energy and their interactions. That is known as physics. Now coming to its important. Physics means we just observing the nature, nothing else. So the nature and its physical laws, the nature and its physical laws, that is all physics tells about. So this is the importance of physics, where we just learning about the physical laws of nature. That is the key point. Now there are so much thing in that. The contribution of physics in our world, that we develop our transport system. Suppose in previous age we used steam engines, but now we are using diesel engines. So that is all upgrading day by day by the help of physics. Now second one, electricity. Remember, in the previous age, I mean at the age of additions, the DC current that we know about battery, we use battery on that time. And that is a quite big jar as a battery, not like a 1.5 volt Nipo battery. So, these all batteries are used on that time. But now we are using AC, alternating current supplies in our home. So that is quite efficient energy. And this is all about the updation of the electricity. Now, the communication system, that is totally new thing. We know that all about the 3G, 4G and 5G. 5G is right now coming, and this is the upgradation of the communication system by the help of physics as well. Cause we know there are so many mobile towers and we send the signal from one tower to another. Also we communicate with the space satellite. And that is all due to the space wave, electromagnetic wave and so many others. So this is all the contribution of physics. And one more thing is left, that is space exploration. We know we are sending rockets, satellite to the space to explore it. So that is also the physics contributing itself. So this is all about, and so many other things are there like agriculture, medicine purpose. This is all where the physics is also contributing. So this is all about the importance of physics. Learn it, read it by yourself, write it by yourself with your knowledge, what you just learned from your book, and then express it by your words. Alright, coming to question number 3, that is the harmful effect of science. We know that there are good side of science, that is the development of science. We just discussed it. Now coming to the bad effect, that is the how science is destroying our nature. So I picked few points over here, that is pollution, power of weapons, the deforestation and the global warming. So first of all, pollution. We know there are so many kind of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution. Air pollution happening due to the cars that making carbon dioxide, also the industries that making toxic gases that causing air pollution. Also industries are making the toxic liquid that directly going to the river, pond, and that is making the water pollution, and so many other causes are there. I'm not discussing right now. So coming to the powerful weapons. While we are developing each and everything in the world, we are also developing the weapons. So while you developing the weapons, so there are a tendency of wars, and that is not good for our world. Coming to deforestation, many other people cutting the trees in a vast amount. So we know that the trees absorb carbon dioxide. So while you producing carbon dioxide in pollution and cutting also the trees in a vast amount, so the balance between the production of carbon dioxide and absorption of carbon dioxide is not maintaining well enough. So that is a very bad effect in our world. Coming to the global warming, we all know that what is global warming, and this is all happened due to the pollution and deforestation and many other effects. So that is all about the harmfulness of science. So that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed the class. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any suggestion or any doubt, just write in the comment section. Tab tak ke liye, goodbye.